Pricing plans. ClickUp right now has 5 pricing plans for you. Let's check out the pricing plans so we have an idea about the affordability of the platform. When it comes to ClickUp, there is a free plan available, which is free forever. All of the features are given below, such as storage, which is 100 MB, unlimited tasks, unlimited members, and more. Then we have a plan known as Unlimited, and it is best for small teams. It is $9 per member per month. Then we have a business plan, which is going to be $19 per member per month, and it is best for mid-sized teams. Then we have a Business Plus, which is best for multiple teams, and it is $29 per member per month. And then we have an Enterprise, which is going to be customized features for customized pricing. But the best thing is that you can save up to 45% with yearly plans. So if you go with yearly, then you will be saving up to 45%. And you will get unlimited plan for just $5 per user per month. And the business plan is going to be just $12 per member per month. And then business plan is going to be $19 per member per month. So this is actually pretty good that we can save up to 45% with yearly plans. So you can simply go ahead and click on the link given in the description down below and select the plan of your choice. You can go ahead and select this plan right here, which is $5 per member per month if you have a small team. And if you want to go for a business or business plus, then you can go for these plans right here, $12 and $19, and you can enjoy the 45% save. You can also get a free trial if you will click on the link given in the description down below. I hope this tutorial will help you make an informed decision if you want to use ClickUp for CRM, HR, marketing, sales, media production, even as an individual. Click on the link given in the description and you will get to this platform right here, and you can also get a free trial. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel.